Hi, this is your Data Science Minute, and this is how I have found bias to be beneficial in the data science process. Let's be clear, data science at its pure level is the removal of bias from your decisions. Let the data speak to you, and now you're making data-driven decisions. But that doesn't mean that all bias is bad. In fact, and this is key, I like bias because bias makes an excellent start for a hypothesis. If I can get a bias, then I can form that into a hypothesis, and that kicks off the data science process, or at least the initial exploration. When I first sit down with clients, I simply ask, tell me about your business. It's intentionally vague and open-ended because the first things that they reply to that question usually represent their bias. And if I can get that, then I can kick off the project. So if a business owner replies, well, most of my customers are on the East Coast of the United States making at least $80,000 a year. That's their bias of who their client is. I can take that, turn that into a hypothesis, and I can prove that out. And if I can prove it out, then I can dig deeper onto why that is. And in some cases, you're going to find that that bias might have been incorrect or might have been correct at some point, but the trend has changed since then. So I think that understanding the bias that your stakeholders are walking into a project is really key and helps you form some of those initial hypotheses for the data science process. And if you'd like more data science leadership content, please click on like and follow below.